Have you ever received a package that made it to your place by mistake? Well, Jamaica had something pretty similar happen way back in the early 19th century. It all went down in the small coastal town of Lucy, spelled Lucy, in Hanover, Jamaica. Now, the name Hanover sounds quite German, and you'd be right to assume as such. At this time, there was a heavy European presence in Jamaica due to a long history of colonialism and slave trading. Thus, Jamaica's second smallest parish had German residents who owned land in its primary township, and these residents had ordered a clock to be erected in Lucy. But as it turns out, there was a mix-up in transit. Welcome back to Elite Jamaica. My name is Alex, and today we will be taking a look at how a German clock ended up in Jamaica. As the story goes, the township's name bore a striking resemblance to St Lucia in the Eastern Caribbean. A sea captain that was charged to ship a German gifted clock to St Lucia confused Lucia with Lucy,
I'm telling you, the light would work better if it pointed out to sea. Shut up. I know what I'm doing.
and he can hardly be blamed for the mix-up, since Lucy had been known as Lucia and a few other similar names after its establishment. When the clock arrived, after its long journey from Germany, the townsfolk of Lucy refused to let it go. As mentioned, prior to the wrong clock being shipped to their town, Lucian residents had ordered a less extravagant time teller. Since they had already brokered a deal to have their own clock, they paid the difference between the St. Lucia and Lucy clocks and took ownership of their neighbor's gift. Try settling that through UPS in today's world. But not long afterward, a local landowner financed the final construction of the clock in 1817. In terms of geography, Lucy sits between two of Jamaica's biggest resort destinations, Negril and Montego Bay. Many tourists pass the clock every day, perhaps not knowing the history that's tied to its most prominent feature. Being over 200 years old, the clock has been upkept really well. Its resemblance to a German Royal Guard helmet denotes its original purpose, to stand as a proud gift from Germany to the population of St. Lucia. Fortunately for Lucy, the misinterpretation of one ship captain's orders set them up for an iconic piece.
I hate the sea and everything in it.
Its four dials face out in every direction from the tower the movement resides in. If yourself or anyone you know makes it down to Jamaica, be sure to keep an eye out for it or an ear out for its chimes. It's a part of Jamaica's history with colonialism that has stood through great social change and upheaval. What's more, it's a testament to what can be accomplished when something gets sent to the wrong address. I've been Alex. Thank you for watching. Y'all stay blessed.